In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trade in Take Profit Trader. Copy trading in Take Profit Trader, often called TPT, is allowed, and it's designed to let you mirror trades across multiple accounts in real time. The idea is simple. You place a trade once on a primary or master account, and that same action is replicated automatically on one or more follower accounts, keeping your execution consistent and your workflow streamlined. To make this work, you'll use a supported platform that can handle account linking and order mirroring. Many traders choose third-party tools such as TradeSyncer, while others use Tradovate's built-in group trading feature. The key is to select a solution that TPT supports, so your master and follower accounts can communicate cleanly and accurately. In practice, that means connecting your master account, selecting the follower accounts you want to mirror, and confirming that the tool is set to copy entries, exits, and any order modifications in real time. As you link accounts, think in terms of master and follower roles. The master account is the one you trade directly. The follower accounts are passive. They echo whatever you do on the master. Once connected, when you submit a market or limit order, move a stop, or scale out of a position on the master, the supported platform pushes those actions to your follower accounts with the same logic. This creates a single point of control that keeps your approach consistent across all accounts. Compliance with TPT's trading rules is essential throughout this process. Make sure your setup respects position size limits, product eligibility, and any risk or time-based restrictions that TPT enforces. Even though the tool is doing the copying for you, you are still responsible for staying within those rules on every connected account. Risk management deserves special attention with copy trading. Leverage applies to all connected accounts at the same time, which means your exposure scales across the group. A single two-contract order on the master could translate into many contracts when mirrored to multiple follower accounts. Keep your sizing appropriate for the total number of accounts, confirm that each account has the necessary margin, and use protective exits consistently so your risk stays intentional rather than accidental. Once your accounts are linked on a supported platform, you're ready to trade from the master and let the system handle the rest. You monitor your positions to make sure everything is syncing as expected, and keep your focus on disciplined execution. That's the core of copy trading in Take Profit Trader, a compliant, real-time, multi-account workflow built around thoughtful risk control.